car batteries. And the members of the electric five, of the power five, the Dominic Browder, Courtney Miller, Jada Murray, Anthony Williams, Judah Harris. And the coach, Mr. Tyrone Slayton, and the mentor, Mr. Stephen Beckley. So with that, I turn you over to the powerful five.
Hello, my name is Judah Harris, and thank you for letting us present today. We're the Powerful Five. I go to Jefferson Junior High School in Naperville, and I'm in 7th grade. Dominic Browder goes to Calvary Christian School and is in 6th grade. Courtney Miller goes to John F. Kennedy Middle School and is in 7th grade. Jada Murray goes to Humphrey Middle School and is in 8th grade. Anthony Williams goes to Jefferson Junior High School in Woodridge and is in 7th grade. Jada will be presenting the battery background and the website, and history of batteries. Dominique will be presenting the e-waste and financials. Anthony will be presenting our solutions, and Courtney our summary. The problem statement is batteries from electric cars are creating environmental waste in landfills, becoming pollution. The next speaker is Jada Murray presenting the battery background and history of batteries and also the website.
Hello, my name is Jada Murray, and I'll be presenting the battery background and history of batteries and e-cars. The four main points I'll be talking about are primary and secondary batteries, electric cars versus gas engine cars, battery technology, and the website. Did you know the first car was an electric car? Well, in 2015, it's back. A primary battery is a battery that's not able to be recharged and disposed after its first use. Primary batteries consist of the toys your kids play with, the watches on your hand, and secondary batteries consist of electric cars, electronics, and the computers we use today. Electric cars versus gas cars. Electric cars are more efficient because, as you can see, they only use the motor, the controller, the battery, and the charger. Whereas the gas engine car uses all those parts, distributing gas into our earth. The electric car is more efficient because it doesn't pollute the air with gas, whereas the gas car does. Electric cars are more efficient. Battery technology. Battery technology has improved so far that instead of pulling up into a gas station, you'll be pulling into a charging station with your electric car. And electric cars can only go 100 to 200 miles. Battery technology is improving right now where electric cars will be able to go 400 miles. You might be wondering, what does this mean? Well, e-waste. What is e-waste? Dominique Browder will be talking about e-waste next. The website will be talked about next, later on in the presentation.
Hi, my name is Dominique Browder, and today I will be talking to you about e-waste and landfills. First, I will explain to you what e-waste is. Second, I will tell you what landfills are. And third, I will go over these four major points: current situation, impact, future plans, and financials. E-waste stands for electronic waste such as old telephones, old computers, or old refrigerators. E-waste is supposed to be recycled, but most people end up throwing it in the trash, and it goes to landfills and pollutes the air. Landfills is a place where the garbage man takes your garbage. Some of the garbage pollutes the air. The current situation is e-waste is being put into landfills and polluting the air. E-car batteries are also being put into landfills and polluting the air. Impact. Pollution can cause death, sickness, or oil spills. More and more people every day die from pollution. The chemicals fill their lungs until they cannot breathe anymore. 51% of Americans are not aware of pollution or the effects of it. Future plans. They are making more landfills for e-waste every day. E-car battery suppliers are also making landfills only for e-car batteries. Home Depot and Best Buy will take your e-waste and they will recycle it for you. E-car battery suppliers could save money if they recycle the battery and reuse the materials to make a new one. Our solution that we are coming to you with is, once the battery has no more life, recycle the battery and reuse the materials to make a new one. Financials. Did you know that you get tax credit from the Department of Energy when you buy one of these miraculous e-cars? Today I will be comparing the Tesla S car versus the Mercedes S550. The Tesla S battery electricity costs 12 cents per kilowatt hour. The Mercedes S550 gas costs $3.20 per gallon. The Tesla S electricity required for 100 miles is 35 kilowatt hour. The Mercedes S550 gas required for 100 miles is 5 gallons. The Tesla S cost to travel 100 miles. If you multiply 12 cents times 35 kilowatt hour, it equals to about $4.20. The Mercedes S550 cost to travel 100 miles. If you multiply $3.20 times 5 gallons, it will equal to about $16. What all this means is, if you buy an e-car, you will not only be saving the environment, but you will also be saving money. The next presenter will be Anthony Williams, talking about our solution statement.
Hello, my name is Anthony Williams, and I am presenting our solution statement. First, I will tell you guys the technology part, then I will give you your other use options, then I will tell you how to recycle your battery, then I'll give you your government regulations. Now the technology part. The older version of an e-car battery was a lead-acid single-use battery, and you could only use it after one charge. But the newer version of an e-car battery was a secondary battery, which meant that you could use it more than once. And for the other use options, say that your electricity goes out. You could actually use your electrical car battery to power your house for 2 days. Or if your house's power is generated by wind turbines, you could also use your e-car battery to power your house as a generator. How to recycle? You can simply take your e-car battery over to the Home Depot. They will recycle it for you. That battery could become a toy for your child, or a cell phone battery for your daughter, or a TV stand for the Super Bowl, because who wants to watch it on the floor? Government regulations. So e-cars should have the same regulations as gas engine cars to ensure that the proper way of recycling is taking place. Just like the emission test. The emission test is when you have 3 allotted time periods to bring in your car for testing. And if you don't, they could take your license, then they could send out a warrant for your arrest. In conclusion, the waste that occurs in our lives is indeed able to be recycled, whether we take it seriously or not. We need to utilize these decisions for our kids, by our kids, to save the earth and to stop pollution. Next up, we'll